today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video overlay using DaVinci Resolve. This valuable skill can come in handy when you're looking to create engaging videos with layered visuals. Let's get started on this adventure, where creativity and technology meet. First things first, we're going to open up DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you haven't yet installed it, you'll want to go ahead and do that. It's a robust editing tool that's widely used in the industry for video editing, and luckily, it has a free version that offers plenty of features for anyone starting out. As you open it, take a deep breath and prepare yourself to dive into the world of video editing. Sometimes these interfaces can seem a little intimidating, but with practice, it will become second nature. Now that we've opened DaVinci Resolve, let's talk about adding a video on top of another. This is a technique known as video overlay, and it's great for a variety of applications, like picture-in-picture effects or creating a unique visual style. Go ahead and import the videos you're planning to use. Make sure they're readily available in your media pool. You'll want to select the video that you'd like to superimpose over the background video. Simply drag and drop it onto the timeline, directly above the base layer where you have your main video. Think of this as stacking it like a sandwich. You want your overlay video to sit on top of the main one. Once you've got your video layers in place, head over to the Inspector panel. This is where the magic happens. In the Inspector, locate the composite mode. Now you might wonder about the various modes available here. For our purpose today, we're going to use Add. This mode will combine the pixels of the top video with the bottom one, creating that sweet overlay effect. Just a quick tip, if Add as a composite mode doesn't give you the visual you're looking for, feel free to experiment with the others like Screen or Overlay. They each offer different nuances in blending. After setting the composite mode to Add, let's adjust the opacity. You'll find the opacity slider in the same Inspector panel. Lowering the opacity can soften your overlay effect, making it blend more subtly into the background. Simply slide it to a level that looks right for your project. This is where your personal preference and creative vision come into play, so take your time to experiment. That's essentially it. You've now successfully overlaid one video on top of another in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple yet powerful technique that adds depth and interest to your projects. Remember, while this video has covered a basic overlay, there's so much room for exploration in DaVinci Resolve. So don't hesitate to try different things out and experiment with these tools. Happy editing!